So you're tearing out a floor, or you're trying to decide whether you're going to go over top of it or tear it out, and there's multiple layers. I'm a firm believer in ripping out anything that does not feel right or look right. So in this case, we had 2 layers of linoleum, and then there was a layer of this fiber board. I think it's called MDF. High density board anyways. And then below that you could see where they had spliced in between floor joists. So you have a floor joist here and one over there, and they spliced here, so that makes it weak. Plus they had cut out some boards for plumbing. So it's just not a good idea to splice between floor joists anyways, and then especially when you remove the subfloor below. So in this case, we ripped all these out. Plus, there must have been some leaks in there at some point because it was weak. Ripped them out, and we went from as far as we could for a floor joist to floor joist. And now we're cutting it in the center of floor joists. And we're going to fill this in, and we're probably going to, and then below here is, obviously they put that in to cover something up. So we're pulling that out, and we'll probably have to come all the way over here into the toilet area, and I suspect we'll have to do all these new boards. But you know, it's better to rip it out and do it right than to keep patching, because you just never get it. You're never going to get the same floor with going over another layer and another layer and another layer, and then your doors are an issue. So there's several issues when people do that. It's a lot of ripping out, it's a lot of time, but in the end you're going to end up with a better solution and a better floor. Okay, that's my 2 cents on floors when you're ripping out.